Hello, in this lecture I explain variable declarations. Variables are identifiers that hold values. They must be decorated in your code before you use them. The syntax of variable decorations is this: decorations mode, type, identifier, expression, or structure. For example, here, yes, I focus on that. Here, var x equal 0. First is decoration mode. First is decoration mode. Decoration mode, we have three decoration mode. var, var IP, or var IP or var IP, I don't know. And none. Uh, we don't add anything. I told about var. Var, when PineScript execute from left to right, it will save data in this variable. Here, for example, if kilos is higher than this amount and lower than this amount, so add 1 to Rx. Okay, so for example, in candle 0, Rx is 0. In candle, in second candle, if this condition is met, is so our x will be 1. Okay, because 0 plus 1 will be 1. But if, as you see here, for example, we have this amount and all of this candle have kilos higher than and a lower than this amount. Okay, if I see, as you see. Okay, this is in our var environment. And okay, but if I delete var, just this, we have, as you see, 1. Okay, just 1, because kilos, because it will delete after new candle, it will reset. Okay, for example, a new candle have kilos, a kilos higher than in this price, or a lower, a low lower than this price. So x is 0. X will be 0 plus 1 will be 1. Okay, will be 1. But in new candle, because we didn't add var here, it will reset this, and we have again 0. Okay, we have again 0. And okay, so what is var IP? Var IP is, I comment this. For var IP, I have another example. Var IP give us, var IP works in real, not historical. Okay, okay, and var IP save data inside the bar, not after close. What is mean? uh, Here we have one bar here. Okay, here we have one bar. No price is this. It save this, but when price change, for example here price changed, it will also save this amount too. Okay, this data too. But var uh, just work on every candle, but this works also in inside bar, not at once in every candle. So let's I show you an example here. uh, I defined and added var ip. If var state is new, update number one, else update it. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, okay, excuse me, sorry. Okay, here you see two. Why two? Because it calculate inside, also change in a sidebar with 3 4 5 6, because we have 6 time change in price in one bar. Okay, so this is type. So uh, no, this is a decoration mode. We have var ip or none. Okay, then type. We have several type, like int. In it's mean integer, like 0 1 2. Okay, 0 1 or 2, or another thing float, like 1.2, for example 5.6, or 1.0. Okay, int float. Let's I check. And for a boolean keyword used to especially decorate the boolean type of variable or parameter. Bool variable can have value true, false, or not. Okay, for example here, if b as default is true, and then it gave b now. So if b true, oh, and this is not a clear, I don't understand. Let's I show you an example. uh, for example, in bool we say uh, x, for example my bool is true if x is lower, if low is lower than 1, so my bool will be false. So for example, look, for example, plot my bool. For example, yes, plot open if my bool is true, if we have a low higher than 0, higher than 1, otherwise kilos. Okay, so because we have our low is lower than 0, lower than 1, it's black. Okay, so what I said here, I defined my ball true. Okay, I said if low is lower than 1, so set my ball to false. So if my ball is correct, plot open, otherwise close. I will explain more about this. Okay, ball and so ball float color and string. String is something like, for example, my string. This is string. Okay, and a double quotation and color. My color that, for example, blue. Okay, all these are correct. And I told we have na. Okay, we don't give any variable to our we don't give any value to our identifier. Okay, so what is this? So we should, before that, if we want to set now as default, it we have to say what is our type. Okay, for example, here if I delete this and set now, it will give us, as you see, error because I should say my type is a string. So then it doesn't give us any error. Okay, and we have also tuple decorations can be equal to function or structure. So I show you one thing. Boolean Bollinger Bands. Okay, here a Bollinger Band, it will we can let's try ta dot bb ta dot bb. We have series, we have length, we have multi. Yes, I opened this. For example, here indicator. Let's I use just this to show you. I delete. Okay, it shows lower, upper, and middle with three pillars. I can change it to show you better. Okay, as you see here. So uh, this built-in function give us three variable, three data: middle, upper, and lower. Okay, and we can use it. We can right, like this. Okay, that is another mode of variables. Okay,